Hey there, the adventurers! Welcome back to our exciting educational adventure, where we explore the amazing world of heavy machinery. Today, we'll be counting down the top 10 most popular heavy machinery among kids around the world. Are you ready? Let's dig in! Number 10. Backhoe Excavator. This heavy machine has a special arm at the back that can dig deep into the ground and lift heavy objects. It's like having a giant robotic arm that can do all the digging and lifting for construction projects. Number 9. Crawling Excavator. This beast moves on tracks, just like a tank. It can easily maneuver through rough terrains and dig deep holes. Watch out, it's unstoppable. Number 8. Wheeler Excavator. This heavy machine has big wheels and can move around construction sites with ease. It's perfect for transporting materials from one place to another. Number 7. Mini Excavator. It may be small in size, but don't let that fool you. The mini excavator is super agile and perfect for digging in tight spaces. It's like having a mini superhero for construction work. Number 6. Dragline Excavator. This heavy machine is like a giant crane with a long arm and a bucket attached. It's used to remove large amounts of soil and rocks. Just imagine the power. Number 5. Skid Steer Excavator. This machine has a unique ability to turn on a dime. It can rotate its wheels independently, making it incredibly maneuverable. It's like watching a dance on wheels. Number 4. Long Reach Excavator. Need to reach those high places? The Long Reach Excavator has an extra long arm that can stretch way up in the sky. See, it's perfect for tall construction projects. Number 3. Power Shovel Excavator. This heavy machine has a powerful shovel attached to its front. It can scoop up huge amounts of dirt, rocks, or even snow. It's a true workhorse. Number 2. Amphibious Excavators. These special machines can work on land and even in water. They have special features that allow them to float and work in marshy or swampy areas. Talk about versatility. And finally, the most popular heavy machinery among kids around the world. Number 1. The mighty excavator. This incredible machine combines the best features of all the excavators we've mentioned. It can dig, lift, and move massive amounts of earth. No wonder it's the favorite among young construction enthusiasts. That concludes our countdown of the top 10 most popular heavy machinery among kids around the world. I hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating machines as much as I did. Remember, you can always dream big and become an engineer or construction expert someday. So, stay curious and keep exploring. See you next time, young learner. Until then, keep digging into knowledge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the Adventurers channels for more education videos.